Are you wondering if the title and the thumbnail of this video clickbait? I can assure you that it is not. Not only is it not clickbait, but I've linked my precious van Zion for sale below. I guess let's really get into this video and figure out why is it for sale.
Show me the car when you turn me on. The way you tell me you want me down. Done it, I done this before you falling. I won't catch you, don't know I'm stalling. Cause you love to have them all crying. Calling me sweet, telling me you need me. But I'm from a city that's high school. I give them this and the more I go.
What the heck is that in there? It's a grasshopper. Oh my good lord. There's so much going on. Alright, so we have stopped on the side of the road. Got us some wood, paid via the box. Now, on to our campsite.
Too bad, I've been sticking on your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Too bad, I've been sticking on your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Take it, baby, baby, I ain't scared to take it. Oh.
I've spent the last 2 years traveling around the United States and a little bit of Mexico in my luxury converted van. Why? Because I crave adventure. Here's a little context behind that. Pre-pandemic, I had planned to move back to Spain. Job lined up, apartment hunting, and ready to book my one-way flight to Europe. Then the world closed, leaving me stuck. Then one YouTube video watched on Vanlife, and I was sold. I drove to Florida, bought my van, drove it back to Indiana, and got prepared to have it built. 2 years later, we have what is known as the luxury nomad and the luxury van. These cicadas are really out. Like, y'all know I don't do bugs like that, and the bugs are really bugging. Maybe it'll help if I put up my moonshade and kind of set the mood for them to not be around in my luxurious space. It's been a while since I did this. Are you kidding me? The camera overheated. It's hot out here. Taking a slight break. Now I'm going to set up my lights. I'm pulling out all the stops tonight. That's what I have to do. So I decided to rent a campsite tonight. I feel like camping in civilization and having a real campfire. Now, mind you, if I am in the middle of nowhere, the wilderness, BLM land by myself, I do not start a fire at night. It ain't happening. I go in at dawn, maybe a little earlier. I don't even know what dawn is actually. But today I felt like having a bonfire, and this is what we're doing. The van life movement on this here platform, or any other social platform for that matter, can be a little limiting, restricting. Oftentimes people want to put you in a box. I don't know if this is a box or not, but you get the gist. You got people sliding into your comment section asking you why you're in a cabin if you live in a van. Or why you're spending money on a vacation in Europe. Now, a crab meat and caviar conjoint. Let's make it make sense. I mean, I kind of get it. Some people enter into this lifestyle to live sustainably or to save. That was never my truth, and I've been pretty open about that. I mean, people People expect you to be hardcore van life, not realizing that van life is what you make it. And that's exactly what I did. I made it my own. I made it work for my life. But as you know, things change, seasons come and they go, as they always do. That's life. Is very much heating right now, so I am inside taking a little break from the outside, and I'm just going to get some much needed work done. Till it's time for me to go back outside. I got my firewood and I can't wait to sit outside tonight and I'll sit by the fire. Y'all know I love a good vibe. I got my max air vent fan on, I have my portable fan on, and I'm actually keeping pretty cool.
Leaving all my worries, I prepare for something new. Whatever it was that helped.
Now that I spent the last 2 years sharing my journey and telling my story, it's time for a change. As a global citizen, I feel that it's now time to share the diverse stories of others. When you know your purpose, you can't ignore the tough decisions that are needed to be made to follow it. Van life, as lovely as it is, it's not my purpose or my calling. It never was, nor was it a dream of mine that I had for years. Honestly, it was something to pass the time, to keep me as adventurous as I like to be, until I could pursue what I really desire and have a passion to do. Guys, I hope y'all not shocked. I've been hinting around for a long time. There's so much life in this world that I want to learn and understand and grow from. I want to witness what it's like to be a tiny little speck in this small world. When the time comes, I'm going to start my fire. I think my lights here have ran out of battery. Can't really see. Thankfully, I have 3 AA batteries to replace them with. These cicadas are treacherous. Oh God, he's right there. Yeah. Oh my gosh, ew, it's coming after me. I don't do cicadas. I really don't do no kind of bugs, but these cicadas are a no-go for me. I mean, I guess I can go for a little walk, huh? The sun is dying. It's not as hot anymore. It's 6:09. But then again, I only get my sandals. Well, that's a lie. I do have my tennis shoes, but they're packed away in a suitcase or somewhere that I don't feel like digging. Will I go for the walk? That is the question. Oh, I really need to, but I really don't want to. You know what? I'll just go in the morning. Yeah, ain't nothing wrong with that. I'll just go in the morning. Early in the morning when the sun is not at its hottest. Girl, you know that's a lie from hell. You crack me up. Update. We're going for that walk. The shoes were closer than I expected. Closer than I had hoped. It was just a sign from God. Bye-bye, Zion. First and foremost, I want to give you guys a huge thank you for sharing in this journey with me. Y'all are the true MVPs. I always strive to do two things in my videos, be entertaining or educational. Hopefully both, but I always wanted you to take something from these videos. Let me know in the comment section if you have. But in the same breath, I'm now releasing that van life pressure off of myself. And I'm proud to say that I'm pivoting from being a full-time van lifer on this particular channel, my channel, even if that means losing some of you as followers of it. I wish you well. Do what serves and resonates with you and your heart and your spirit. This is the very same advice I give myself, which is why I understand. I can say the next video or 2 or 3 or until I sell Zion will be van life. I will be enjoying her until she finds a new home. But for those of you who are going to be rocking with me around the world, you're in for a treat. I'll talk more about that once we purge those fake followers. I kid. These campsites are fairly empty. Could it be because we're into August and kids are going back to school? Or I don't know, but I'm loving it. Well, that walk was refreshing. Glad we did it. Kind of wish I had s'mores now. I have everything. I have graham crackers, I have sticks, I have everything. Well, I got everything but Hershey's and marshmallows, I guess. So I don't have everything, do I? No, I don't. Wish I had some wine too, but I'm not drinking until Danette's birthday, which is the 17th. And technically I have something very special planned that I'm taking her. So I'm not drinking until then. Some wine, you know, nothing major. It's a great evening. I don't know if I should start the fire already. I'm so excited to start this darn fire by myself. So we have some neighbors though. Here are neighbors. Hello, neighbors. I do, yeah.
Oh my goodness, you'll have to share with us.
Absolutely. Are you guys enjoying yourselves?
Honey, what's the name of your channel?
Oh, it's Antoinette Yvonne.
Do you have internet here?
No, it's very sucky in this area.
Feel free to come and join us.
Bless you, thank you. We now have our fire. I'm just going to sit out here and enjoy it. Like this is all I ever wanted. Unfortunately, the internet is sucky, but good thing I downloaded some movies before I got out here. My neighbors are quite lovely. They asked me if I had a YouTube channel and invited me over if I wanted some company. So I might take them over on the offer, actually. Guys, I've been to some remarkable places and met some incredible people while living in this van life lifestyle. My adventures have been nothing short of amazing, and I will always remember and look back on this unique time and think that, girl, you did that. The truth is, I gave van life my all, but now it no longer serves me, especially as a full-time van lifer. The best thing to do is to give something your all of your energy that it's worth. And when that has run its course, the best thing to do is to gracefully move on and put that energy towards something else that's worth it. That didn't last very long, did it? Now it's just smoke. Maybe some paper. I never really had paper, but today I do. There you go. Oh, shit. This is a horrible fire, I must admit, but, you know, we are here doing it anyways. So I guess to address the elephant in the room, yes, the van is now for sale. It's time for me to pass the torch and to allow someone else to enjoy the luxuries that my baby Zion provides. I would love for one of you guys to enjoy it. So if you're interested in purchasing my baby Zion, then I'll leave all the details in the description box below. And if you have any additional questions, feel free to email me at contact@AntoinetteYvonne.com. Ooh, this fire is fire, and I guess paper does the trick, huh?